Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Asani Hamasip. You can call me Asa. So in this opportunity, I will doing my task assessment for tourism, and I am should be your tour guide also. I will bring you to tourist attraction, and it is really famous in Indonesia, moreover in West Java, Bandung. So what is it, and let's go to the material that I will bring you to Tangkuban Perahu Mountain. Alright, Tangkuban Perahu is mountain located in West Java province, Indonesia, and it's about 20 km from the north of Bandung city. The last pine trees and tea garden around it, Mount Tangkuban Perahu has an altitude of 2084 meters, and the shape of this mountain is star volcano with an eruption air lava and sulfur, and the minerals released are sulfuric sulfur, and the mineral released when the volcano is inactive sulfur vapor. And also the area of Mountain Tangkuban Perahu is managed by the Forestry and Corporation. Its daily average temperature is about 17 Celsius during a day and 2 Celsius at the night. How cold is it? So if you come to Tangkuban Perahu Mountain, you should use your jacket or your shawl. And also the history of Tangkuban Perahu is based of the myth of Sangkuriang, and it's really famous in citizen of Bandung or West Java citizen, or maybe also in Indonesia. And so the history is begin when the king named Sungging Perbangkara was out hunting in the forest. The midst of his hunting, he felt like everything when was about go to into the bush. And when he was fulfilling, he wished the king's urine was caught in carrying leaf, which was accidentally drunk by a wild bird who was turning into a human named Wayung. Immediately, she made Wayung pregnant and gave birth a beautiful baby named Dayang Sumbi. Dayang Sumbi's beautiful become more visible when she grew up, so many of the king want to marry it. In fact, some were willing to fight for Dayang Sumbi. Because Dayang Sumbi didn't want to get married, she was finally went to circulation accompanied by her dog named Tumang. One time, Dayang Sumbi was busy weaving cloth, and accidentally the thread was using suddenly fell. And feeling lazy to take the scroll, somehow it came out of his mouth that anyone who could take the spoil of that he was a woman would be made a sister, and however if it's a man he will be a husband. So whoever can get the trait of his woman will make him brother or sister, and if she's a man like him husband, they are soon beside. And unexpectedly Tumang, his pet or her dog, took the scroll, and because she has promised, Dayang soon be finally married with Tumang or with his or her pet. Tumang is actually an incarnation of a dog who turns into a dog. From that marriage, there's a child was born who named by Sangkuriang, and Sangkuriang grew up to be a thug boy and liked to hunt In the forest, every time he hunts, he's always accompanied by his mother's favorite dog, which is Tumang. He also didn't know that Tumang is his father because his mother, or Dayang Sumbi, had kept it secret. And one day, when Sangkuriang was about to hunt with Tumang, they ordered Tumang to chase the Wayung Show, who was none other than Deng Sumbi's mother. Because he didn't obey Sangkuriang's order, Sangkuriang killed Tumang. How creepy, right? That here Tumang's heart was taken by Sangkuriang as gift and give it to her mother, and Dayang Sumbi to be cooked and eaten. That's hard because she didn't know what's hard is that, and she didn't know also that's hard it's Tumang hearts. So pity, right? And knowing that what he had eaten was Tumang hearts, he became very angry, of course, because Deng Sumbi really loved uh, her pet and also her husband. And instantly Sakurian head was beaten until he was injured and was evicted from his residence. And Sangkuriang, who was disappointed with his mother, went wandering after the incident. Dayang Sumbi is really regret her action, and he prayed to gods for guidance and hope that Sangkuriang will come back soon. And so time passed until Sangkuriang up to be a handsome man, and I don't know how long he wandered until, without realizing it, Sangkuriang returned to the forest where he come from. Then Sangkuriang was fascinated by a doctor he met in the middle of the forest, who was none other than his own mother, and it is Dayang Sumbi. How it's feel? Apparently, Dayang Sumbi has high supernatural powers so that she looks youthful like a girl. Dayang Sumbi's prayer was answered even though she is longer young, and she looked beautiful until one day Sangkuriang met Dayang Sumbi but did not recognize Dayang Sumbi as his mother and even fell in love with her. Likewise with Dayang Sumbi, who didn't know that this dashing man was Sangkuriang, and they developed love. One day, Dayang Sumbi was looking Sangkuriang's head, and she accidentally found a scar due to be a beating that was done to Sangkuriang several years ago. Knowing this, Dayang Sumbi believed that Sangkuriang was biological child. And Dayang Sangkuriang, who had proposed to Dayang Sumbi, confused him and looked for a way so that marriage Sangkuriang would never happen. Finally, Dayang Sumbi put forward several requirements to him, namely that Sangkuriang had be able building a lake and boat and dam the Citrum River in one night. Sangkuriang agreed to his requirement because he had studied then become powerful. Mandurguna. As a result, Sangkuriang was able to fulfill the requirements given to her by Dayang Sumbi. When all the work almost finished, Dayang Sumbi was confused as they asked to God for direction, and the God ordered Dayang Sumbi wave his craft, and miraculously the sun appeared on the eastern horizon as a sign that the morning had become. Sangkuriang, who felt fire become furious, then he kicked half-finished boat with his strength and rolled in stomach until finally kicked named by Tangkuban Perahu prayed. So that's all our tour today. Thank you and bye bye. And also I ask your pardon if you